I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up alerts for your transactions can really help you stay on top of your finances. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the official TD website or open the TD app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to alerts. Once logged in, look for the alerts section in the main menu. This is usually found under Account Services or Settings. Step 3. Select Transaction Alerts. In the Alerts section, choose Transaction Alerts to set up notifications for specific transactions like deposits or withdrawals. Step 4. Customize your alerts. Select the types of transactions you want alerts for, such as large purchases or low balances. You can also choose how you want to receive these alerts via email or text. A quick tip: make sure your phone number is correctly entered in your profile to avoid missing text alerts. Step 5. Save your settings. After customizing your alerts, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now you're all set to receive alerts on your TD transactions. Keeping track of your finances just got easier. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.